Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm doing another unboxing. I recently went right before it got released, pre-ordered my 2021 to 2022 Erin Condren Life Planner. So this is everything that I picked up when I ordered. So let's just get started. I'm going to put the planner last and just go through what I picked up and what came with the thing. The first thing I got was this Keep It Together pen holder. So I thought that'd be cool to put on. And then I've always just kind of used different pens, and I thought, you know what? And I got a pen to, use primarily to write in my planner. So there's that. And please excuse the horrid nail polishes. Everything is slowly opening up, and it actually opens up tomorrow, my nail salon. So I'm excited. I'm gonna be going to get them done here pretty soon. And then I just got these sticky notes. I always find that I need, want to write something down, but don't know, don't have something small enough. So there's that. And then I got the freebie, which is this cute little tote thing. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet. It's just clear and yeah, I don't know. So there's that. Those are everything that I got. I either ordered or got for free. Now onto the big thing, the planner. Okay. So it came with these. It comes with these every year. I don't really use them. So here we go. The 2021 to 2022 Life Planner. I got rose gold coil this time. Well, last year's was rose gold too, I believe. Then this is the cover I chose. Front and back. I did personalize it. So down here, let's zoom you in so you can see. Down here has my name, Meg's Andrade. And this year, I actually went for something a little different. Normally, I get the colored vertical layout. But this year, I decided I didn't want to do the colored. I wanted to do neutral. I'm getting good at laying it out and everything. It's going to be a little different because of the dots and stuff, but, it is what it is. So, yeah. I'm excited. I have my new Condren planner. Alright, so yep, that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you Monday for another video. Bye, guys.